Hello my friend and welcome to my channel, Marvelous Marble Time. We're going to do green, light green, dark green, and brown and gold. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Heidi over at Skull Lover Nails. I'll be using the Painted Desert Extra Short Coffin Tips and Maniology Sticky Base. And this is Charo by Square Hue. And here we go. So I've got the nails already on my nails. You know, the nail tips, full coverage nail tips are already attached. And we're just going to hop in and get these painted. And I have to tell you, I love water marble themed. You guys know I'm down for that monthly theme every time. I love it. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. It's hard to get used to these skinny brushes after using all the good fluffy brushes. I'll be topping these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And I only did one coat because I'm not worried about the opacity. I'm putting water marble on top of it. But it still looks pretty good. You could get away with wearing that one coat. Dig it. Yes, ma'am. All right, here we go. Gotta get Woody out of here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Alrighty, there's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with the water marbling. We've got the Square Hue Charo again, as well as Copass. That's my dark green. And then I got a Color Club, and this one is called Exposed. And I'm going to use the tape and latex method of protecting the skin around my fingernail. Putting a little tape on the sides there, mush it down so it won't be in my way. And then I'm going to use the Adored Colors, and I think it's called Protect Me. And we're going to just put a little bit of that on the top around the knuckle, you know, the place where you bend and stuff, you know. Awesome. All right, so we're going to build our first bullseye. I'm just using a little paper cup like it from the bathroom. Regular room temperature water, and I do run that toothpick around that first drop to kind of spread it all the way to the side of the cup. And we're going to just apply. I'm doing a light green, a dark green, a light green, a dark green, and then a brown, and then I'm going to go back to the light green, dark green. And I'm doing this because green's the main color of this one, and the brown is like overspreading or whatever. And you'll run into that with polishes. So I'm just doubling up on my greens. I hope I'm making sense. You guys know this girl's crazy. Alright, so I'm going to do one more. And then I'm going to have to do another round of the greens. See how big that brown circle got? And if I was just doing a regular manicure, I might would have been okay with it just being that big, but we had to get some more green in there. Alright, so I went out from side to side, and I'm just making some abstract water marble today. Just, there is no real design, just getting all funky on it. And I'm going to dip 2 nails at a time. Dip! And I'm holding the cup between my fingers and my thumb while I clean up the excess polish off the top of the water. Because if I don't hold this cup this way, I'm going to end up knocking it over. Alright, remove it from the water, and I'm going to run a toothpick around the sides of the nails to break that polish seal so that when I go to remove my protection, I don't pull up anything off of my nail. There we go. Snap, get that loose, pull it off. Get that little bitty piece. But this method seems to work pretty well. I like it. Like it a lot. I'm so glad Miss Colette figured that out and shared it with everyone. Trying to get all that off. And you can see I went past my line, but that's okay. We'll clean it up in a minute. Run that toothpick around the edge. Spread it all out. And then get busy building this bullseye. I absolutely love doing this monthly theme with Miss Heidi from Skull Lover Nails over there on Instagram and all the other wonderful ladies. I love seeing everybody's take on a theme. It blows my mind. Some of these manicures are just, I mean, jaw-dropping. I'm like, what? How did she do that? And so I love being a part of that and seeing what they're doing. It just makes my day, makes my month. All right, so we're building up some more bullseyeing going on here. And I did more on this one in the middle than the other one, but it'll be okay because I'm very abstracting today. Just swish, 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 keep moving around. There we go. Dig it, dig it. Get ready to line these nails up. Oh, wait, I'm not done yet. And these two are hard to get because they're the fingers are different lengths totally. Dip it in, hold that cup steady, and clean up that excess polish on top because you don't want that falling back on your design on your nail. It'd be a mess. All right, get this latex off. First, we got to break that seal. And y'all don't necessarily have to do this. I do it because I've messed up manicures before. It doesn't always happen. Normally, it will pick up, and you don't have to worry about it. But I've just messed up a couple of manicures, and after all that work, I don't want to mess it up. So I added it to my routine of what I do when I'm doing this. All right, let's get this off. I will have a link down below for you to go check out the other manicures over on Instagram. There should be a hashtag if that's easier for you to follow, and then a list of participants if you'd like to just click on them. I am using a Q-tip to get some of the bigger chunks of polish up off my skin. And I also like to use them for up under the nail to get that side of it. I'm loving this. Oh, so pretty. Alrighty. So here we go. We're going to go in with our clean-up brush. Tidy this one up a little bit. And I just love this. Oh, you guys, I'm so junked out over it. Now, I know you're thinking, where's the gold? I thought you said there's gold in this manicure. Yeah, we're going to do that too. I'm marbling ×2. Water marble and now some stamping marble. Nicole Diary stamping plate here. And a Faber-Nails stamper. My H. Liquor Store scraper. And hit the bottle. And I have to have and to gold. And I'm just using these images. I mean, look. You got all kind of marble images on this plate. I believe this is Nicole Diary 076. It is an awesome plate, and I'm just using extra bits and pieces because with it being marble, you can totally get away with that. Clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and then the plate's going to get cleaned with some pure acetone. Then we're going to move along and get another image. Ooh wee, I love this. I'm grinning ear to ear, just so y'all know. I love this. Love, love, love this manicure. Love playing like this. Y'all would get more videos like this out of me if I had more time, because this is the kind of stuff I love. Water marbling, stamping, all in one manicure. How fun. Alright, so doing some more. Alright. Get on with it, Tina. But I want to thank Miss Heidi for hosting these collaborations each month. It's a lot of work, keeping up with everybody, reminding, getting the collage together, getting the list of participants together. And I want to thank her for doing that. I barely have time to, find time to do manicures, so I can't even imagine. And if you guys don't follow Heidi over on Instagram, Miss Skull Lover Nails, I'm telling y'all, you got to go check out her manicures. She's amazing. Oh my goodness. So I'm cleaning up some of this excess up off of my skin with a piece of tape. And I just realized how Irish or, St. Patty's Day this manicure looks. This could so work for a St. Patty's Day mani. Oh my goodness. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. And once that is completely dry, I am going to go in with the final top coat. You know, my sealer. Seal it all in. All right. And today, I'm using Posh Top Coat. Now, most of you are not surprised. You all know it's my ride or die. It's my favorite. And we're going to get this all glossied up and quick drying, so it'll dry down through the layers, and I'll be back on business. There we go, capping my free edge. And that's it. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me a comment down below. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Until